welcome back to Model Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is RUSHAE. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. If this is your first time and you do like styling content, I'd love for you to subscribe and join the family. So today, I just wanted to talk about 5 looks that I'm loving for summer. Now, there are certain things that I gravitate to automatically, but there are certain like little trends, little styles, little aesthetics that I wanted to remind myself to participate in. So for June, I wanted to look at these 5 aesthetics that I'm loving and making sure that I reach for things that that fit into this trend. So first up, it's the all white aesthetic. Now, I saw a lot of designers do all white suits, and I wanted to, reach into my closet for my little white suit that I have. It's actually, I like to create sets. The top is a vintage Donna Karan that I love this blazer so much, and the pants are just Banana Republic. And when I one day I just put the 2 of them together, I'm like, oh my god, they work perfectly. They're in similar tones. So I want to make sure that I pull this out and wear it for this summer. Now, if you don't have a white suit, you can also do head to toe white. That is part of the aesthetic, not just for suiting, but white shirt. Like, I love a white linen look. So I have this white linen shirt from Banana Republic. I have this pair of white linen pants from Eileen Fisher, and I'm just looking forward to do this little all white look for June, especially because it's starting to get warm, and I'm just looking forward to enjoy my time. And part of that is by enjoying what I'm wearing, enjoying how I look while I'm wearing this. Is just part of the whole experience of summer. So that is the first trend. So while we're looking at whites, the other trend that I love is all the basket raffia things that are happening. If you saw my previous video, you'd have seen that I unboxed the Loewe Paul Ibiza. That's a square raffia tote. The names aren't perfect, but so I got that and I'm like, that's all I'm wearing. But to be honest, I have a few vintage ones, and I just love changing up the look and just enjoying just the different aesthetics. You can find these anywhere. I love designer ones. I love designer inspired ones, but I also love those quirky little vintage ones as well. So keep your eye out for stuff like that, because I think those are I almost think those are the most fun, because you're not gonna see them anywhere. Those are those little unique pieces that's in your closet, those little vintage pieces. So I'm loving the whole straw raffia that I get to play with for some nice warm weather, finally. So so that's the next look on my list. Now, there are these little aesthetics that are popping up on TikTok. In a previous video, I talked to you about the coastal grandma, but there's also like ballet core and Regencycore. The ballet core, it's a little, I don't think styles are necessarily in an age group, but I don't see myself wearing ballet core. Having done ballet for many years, I don't think I would definitely wear the ballet core, but Regencycore, I am here for it. It's a lot more mature, it's a lot more feminine, it's a lot more ladylike, and that's why I'm jumping headfirst into Regencycore. I'm wearing my top to represent my Regencycore obsession, but this is long before, Regencycore. I love a frilly, girly top, and I think they're saying, with the whole influence of Bridgerton, everyone wants to be in this really feminine, very dressed up look, which is my aesthetic. Welcome to the party. This is where I live. Now, I take a lot of inspiration for Regencycore, not just from 80s pieces, which gives you that nice volume, but brands like Isabel Marant, they do a lot of really feminine, oversized, billowy tops. I love them, especially in white. They do them in different colors and prints. I didn't get the Isabel Marant. I've been looking for it on the resale market, but I haven't been able to find it. What I did find was a fabulous dupe from Free People, so I was able to live out my Isabel Marant vibes in that, you know, a lot of different brands. I have a Gap version that I'm showing you right now, and there are also brands like Ghani. I have the button down with just the poof in the sleeves that I've worn here on my channel already as well. There are other like vintage, like I recently got this pink like 80s formal wear beauty that I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the skirt, so I'm just gonna do it as a top, or I just had this thing in mind for doing like a nice skirt on the bottom of it, but I haven't quite decided. But you know, just these little like very elegant blouses, I love playing around with these, especially when it gets nice and warm. You know, a white girly poofy top, you know, is just summer for me. So all of those things is just, you know, that's where I live. Welcome to the party. Regencycore, I'm all about it. So I'm definitely looking forward to participating in the Regencycore aesthetic. Another thing that you saw came out for 2022 trend is tone on tone, especially when it came to suiting. But I think you can transfer and take that into the summer as well. Even though you might not be doing it in suits, a full tonal look is awesome. I love wearing linen at this time of the year. I have some brown linen that I think would be great for like tonal dressing, and then with all the straw and the raffia, wearing like all those earth tones I think would be perfect for tonal dressing. It's also the same thing with white, so they're doing a lot of tonals, whether you want to do blues. I did blues in the spring with my sky blue, baby blue suit. You know, all those little color palettes that's tonal, and we're sticking to like that more monochromatic look. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping that trend going on through all of summer with my whites, with my earth tones, with my raffia, with my creams, with, you know, if I can find some other colors in my closet, which I'm sure I can, you best be sure I'll be going head over heels for tonals for June and moving into the summer. Nothing says summer like strappy sandals, and I can't wait. I could not wait to get my feet out again. There's been a huge trend with like the more chunky style, dad style sandals, but as it gets much more warm, I can't wait to be in those nice thin little sandals. I love the strappy sandals. Valentino has brought back the Gladiator, but they're doing that string right up the leg. I love that look as well. That's just like summer in a bottle to me. So I'm definitely loving pulling those out of my closet and getting to wear them, and I cannot wait. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments section what of these aesthetics that you're looking forward to wearing this summer. And don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join the family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.